This is Marcel Brown, the most trusted name in technology, coming at you with your tech history for May 3rd. May 3rd, 1978. Gary Thurick, a marketing representative for Digital Equipment Corporation, sends out an email promoting an open house for the company's latest computer systems to 393 recipients on the ARPANET, a precursor to the modern Internet. While this number sounds small by today's standards, this was all the ARPANET users on the west coast of the United States. Given that this was an unsolicited commercial email, it is now considered the first of its kind. In other words, the first spam message well before the term was coined. It brought a quick and negative response from many users, and Thurick was warned by ARPANET administrators that mass mailings were not an acceptable use of the network. The backlash notwithstanding, the open house was largely successful with over $12 million of DEC equipment being sold. I guess it was better to ask forgiveness than permission in this case. May 3rd, 1984. Dell Computer Corporation is founded by Michael Dell, running the direct-to-order PC company from his dorm room. Using this innovative direct-to-order model, Dell Incorporated eventually became the largest manufacturer of PCs in the world for many years. Through ups and downs, it is still currently in the top 3 as of 2022 in market share for personal computers. That's your technology history for today. For more, tune in tomorrow and visit my website, thisdayintechhistory.com.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.